Hello, I'm Anvesha and welcome back to my channel. So today I am up with a huge haul from Mamaearth. So this one, I have this one with me. This is the box from Mamaearth in which the products are in, and I haven't opened this box yet. You can see it is totally packed up, so I haven't opened it yet. I will open this one in front of you guys. So let me read out what this box consists of and what are the products in this box. So this box consists of the number 1, it consists of tea tree face wash for acne and pimples. Number 2, Happy Hairs shampoo for healthy and stronger hair. Number 3, Skin Correct face serum with niacinamide and ginger extract for acne. Number 4, tea tree face wash for tea tree shampoo for dandruff free hair. Number 5, Vitamin C face toner with vitamin C and cucumber for pore tightening. So these are the things that this box consists of. So if you are interested in watching this video, then please watch this video till the end. This video, I think, is gonna be a long one, so keep on watching. So let's start with the video. So this is the box. I will open it now. So I have opened this box. See, I have opened this box. And see, these are the things that it consists of. So first is this one, the face wash. This is the face wash. This is the, let me count the products first. This is the face wash, Happy Hairs shampoo, Skin Correct serum, then this one is the toner, then this one is another shampoo, and this one is a bit broken. The seal is a bit broken. You can see this one, the seal is a bit broken, and this one pumped out of the bottle a little bit. You can see, I will show you. See, this one is pumped out a bit. So I think Mamaearth should take care of this thing, that they are sending shampoo bottles with pump tubes. So they should take care of this. They should wrap this in a bubble wrap, but no bubble wrap was present in this one. And I will surely like to tell you one more thing about Mamaearth, that the packaging of Mamaearth, this box, I really love this box a lot. The prints in this box are so childlike, means this box only gives a full excitement that what is in this box. Let me check it out. So this was the box, but I think they should look after their packaging a bit more, because I found this seal broken. So they should give it a bubble wrap. But last time when I ordered from Mamaearth, they wrapped my products in a bubble wrap, but I don't know why this time they did so. Without further ado, let me tell you the thing. This one is Mamaearth tea tree face wash with tea tree and neem. This one is for acne and pimples. This one is paraben free and SLS free, dermatologically tested, suits all skin types. So all of you can use this one for all skin types. Its net volume is 100 ml and its price is rupees 249, which means 250 rupees. You are getting 100 ml of product for rupees 250, and its shelf life is 2 years. So this one is for acne and pimples. So it claims that natural ingredients, remove excess oil, and antibacterial, dermatologically tested, pH balanced, free of sulfates, artificial fragrances. So this was written, the key ingredients. Let me read out the key ingredients. I'm reading some of the ingredients, that is aqua, lavender oil, tea tree oil, aloe vera extract, panthenol, neem leaf extract, sodium PCA, glycerin. All these are its components. So this one, and the direction for use is written: apply a small amount on wet face and gently massage with your fingertips in a circular motion. Concentrate on forehead, nose and chin. Rinse off with water and pat dry. Avoid direct eye contact. So this was written how to apply this one, and here it is written: the product contains natural ingredients and may change color and fragrance. without losing effectiveness. Even natural ingredients can cause a trigger existing allergies. Patch test recommended. Results may vary. Store in cool and dry place for external use only. Okay, so this one is the claim of Mamaearth that in all their products it is written plastic positive. We recycle more plastic than we use, and this is cruelty free product. So everything is there. So this one is for all skin types, and it is for acne and pimples. This will remove, if you use this product, then this will remove acne and pimples. It will fight against them. So this was the thing. So let me open the seal of this face wash. This is sealed over here. So let me open this one and show you. So this is the thing. This is the TikTok opener, TikTok tube, and the product. It is very much liquidy. It is very much liquidy. So this is the thing, white in color. This smell is good. The next is this one, Happy Health shampoo. So this one is from Mamaearth Happy Health shampoo with biotin, amla, and natural protein. So this one is for healthy and strong hair. If you are having hair fall, then they have onion shampoo, but I thought of using this one, so I bought this one for healthy and strong hair. This is also paraben and SLS free, hypoallergenic, for all hair types. Okay, everyone can use this for all hair types is written. So this one is of 200 ml and this costs rupees 349. Okay, 200 ml, you are getting 200 ml of product for rupees 349. So this is a natural shampoo, gentle cleansing, scalp nourishment, suitable for colored and treated hair. If you are having colored hair, I too having colored hair, so this one I also can use this one. So then the application, how to apply this: gently massage shampoo in wet hair and scalp with fingertips to work into a lather, then thoroughly and rinse thoroughly and follow it up with a silicone free conditioner. Okay, so you can use a conditioner and you can't also use a conditioner. Happy Heads also have conditioner. So this was the thing. The key ingredients are aqua, glycerin, sodium, lactic acid, orange essential oil, lavender essential oil, amla fruit powder extract, bringraj powder extract, vitamin E, vitamin A, all these other things written, ingredients. So then another thing is written in this product, that is I gently cleans and promote hair growth by removing the built up residue from scalp. Bringraj and amla nourishes the hair with biotin, stimulates hair growth. Okay, so this one, and the shelf life of this product is 2 years. So this was the thing. It is having a pump tube with it. Okay, let me open the seal of this shampoo. This is sealed over here. This shampoo is having a pump tube. Let me open this one. So this is the thing. You have to. Okay, so this one is just the pump tube. You have to pump it up. So the next thing is this one, Skin Correct face serum. It comes in a box, a cardboard box kind of thing. This one is of 30 ml and it costs rupees 599, which is pretty much higher compared to this products. And this one with niacinamide and ginger extract. Okay, Skin Correct face serum. This claims that it will remove the acne marks and scars from your skin and face. This one is also paraben free, dermatologically tested for acne prone skin. Okay, so I am having acne, I am having acne prone combination type of skin, so I thought of trying out this product. So its shelf life is also 2 years. This was a thing written. Ingredients are also written: reduces acne marks, improves skin texture. This one is having vitamin B3 plus, allergen free fragrance. Okay, so if some people may have allergy in fragrance, so this one is written allergen free fragrance is given, so you won't have any allergy due to the fragrance. Purified water, glycerin, everything is given. So this was the thing. Let me open this one and show you. If you open this, then this is the thing. After opening this is the bottle. You get a bottle and a dropper with it. This one is made of glass, a glass bottle which is white in color. You can see white in color. And this is the dropper. So you have to open this cap up and then you have to put this dropper in and seal it up. So this was the thing. So if you have acne prone skin, so you can use this, you can give a try to this one. I heard many good reviews about this serum, so that's why I thought of buying it out. And you can use this one for removing your acne spots, acne, some other spots. Then I have the next product is this one, the tea tree shampoo. This one is with tea tree and ginger oil. This one is for dandruff free hair. Okay, this one, those who have dandruff problem, then they can use this one. This one is of 250 ml and it costs rupees 349. And that shampoo Happy Heads was having 200 ml and it's also cost 349. So this one you are getting 50 ml more compared to this one. So as this one broken, I can get the smell is not that good. Smell is not that good. So this one is also paraben and SLS free, dermatologically tested for all hair types. This one is also having a shelf life of 1 year. Not 1 year. Exactly, it is having a shelf life of 1 year and 11 months. I don't know why they give this kind of date. Okay, so this one is sulfate free shampoo, gently cleanses and nourishes hair, reduces dandruff and itch. Okay, so if you're having dandruff problem, then you can go for this shampoo. The key ingredients are tea tree oil, ginger oil, glycerol, potassium sorbate. All this thing written. Direction for use is given. Gently massage shampoo in wet hair and scalp with fingertips to work into a lather. Rinse thoroughly and follow it up with the silicone-free conditioner. So you can apply conditioner or otherwise you can't also apply conditioner. And this one, the tea tree range, is also having a conditioner in their range. So this is written, these are all the things. So if you are having dandruff, then you can go for this one. And if you are having hair fall or if you are having breakage in hair kind of thing, then you can go for this Happy Hair shampoo. Let me open the seal of this. So this one is already broken. Become a bit sleepy kind of thing. I am not opening it full, so you can see the product has come out of this. So this is the pump tube. That's all. This one is having the same kind of packaging, means same seal, same pump tube as the Happy Hair shampoo is having the same thing. Then the last product I have is this vitamin C face toner. A big C is written in front of this, which signifies it have vitamin C and cucumber. For this one is for pore tightening. This one is alcohol free, dermatologically tested and suits all skin types. Okay, so this one is of 200 ml and its cost rupees 399. A big higher compared to other toners. This one is a big higher price range. So this one cleans pores, restores skin's pH balance, purifies skin. Okay, the ingredients are given: aqua, vitamin C, glycerin, sodium PCA, aloe vera, cucumber extract, allergen free fragrance. And the direction for use is written. wash your face with Mamaearth sulfate free face wash. You can even use another face wash also. It's not necessary or mandatory to use only Mamaearth's face wash, so you can use any face wash. Pour the toner on a cotton pad and gently dab it on your face and neck. Follow it up with a silicone free moisturizer. Okay, let me tell you one thing. The correct way of applying toner is you have to put this toner in a cotton pad and then you have to just dab it out. Okay, but many of you uses toner like you put this up in a cotton pad and you just keep on blending it like a moisturizer or like you are applying a foundation kind of thing. Just dab it up, don't rub it. Okay, because our skin is very much soft, and if you rub the cotton pad, generally we use toner once or twice a day, so don't rub it with the cotton pad. It is very much harsh for your skin. You are using a cotton pad, but then also the cotton pad is also very much harsh to your skin, so don't rub it up, just dab it. Okay, so this was the thing. Its shelf life is also 2 years. So I have read out all the things. You can go for this as well as the serum is also very much good, I think. So this one, you can first clean the face with toner, then you can apply this serum also. And this one is for pore tightening. I thought of giving it a try because this one contains vitamin C and cucumber, so I thought that this will be beneficial for me. And Mamaearth only have one toner with them. They do not have any other variety of toner in their range, so this was the only toner I got from Mamaearth. Let me open this toner. This one is having seal like other products. Lemon smell is, the fragrance is kind of lemon. Yeah, lemon kind of fragrance is over here. So this is the toner, the cap. This one is very much travel friendly, not like other toners, just with this kind of opener which can get opened whenever you put it in your bag or something like that. So this one is good travel friendly product. So this was all my products. So if you like this video, then give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And recently I have uploaded another video from Mamaearth C3 face mask video. So if you want, then you can go for that video also. You can watch that video out once. So this was all the things. So you can surely buy these products, and all these are from Mamaearth, which is a very good brand. And if I find that I should upload videos individually after using these products, then I will also do that. I will upload individual videos for each of the products, so that I can explain the products individually and I can tell you what I felt after using this product. So I will do so. So thank you for watching